octal subtraction. 743 base 8 minus 564 base 8. We have to subtract this number, this octal number 564 base 8 from 743 base 8. So 3 minus 4. It's not possible. 3 lo nunchi 4 podu. So we have to get borrow. Borrow means 8. Why? Because this is octal number system. Right? So already ikkada 3 undi. So 8 plus 3. Already 3 is there. So 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. 11 minus 4. 7. 7 you have to write here. Okay. Since we have taken borrow from here, the value here will be 3. 3 minus 6. Podu. So you have to get borrow from 7. Borrow means 8. Why? Because this is octal number system. So 8 is there. Here it is 3. 8 plus 3. Again it is 11. 11 minus 6. It is 5. Like here. Since we have taken borrow from here to here, the value here is 6. 6 minus 5 is 1. So it is the answer. 157 base 8 is the answer. Let us take another example. 4 minus 5. 624 minus 265. 4 minus 5. It's not possible. We have to get borrow from 2 here. So the value here will become 8 plus 4 equal to 12. Borrow means 8. Why? Because it is octal number system. Already here 4 is there. So 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 minus 5 is 7. ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఒక borrow మనం ఇచ్చాం కాబట్టి 4 కి the value here will be 1. So 1 minus 6. It's not possible. So you have to get borrow from 6. Borrow means 8. Why? Because it is octal number system. Already 1 is here. So 8 plus 1 equal to 9 is the value here. So 9 minus 6 is 3. Borrow ఒకటి ఇచ్చాం కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ వాల్యూ 5 ఉంటుంది. 5 is the value here. Since we have given borrow from 6 to 2 here. So the value here is 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. So this is the answer. 337 base 8. Let us take another example. 6000 base 8 minus 777 base 8. So 0 minus 7. It's not possible. So we have to get borrow from here. తీసుకురాలేము. The value here is also 0. So we can't get borrow from here. We can't get borrow from here. We can get borrow from here. So from here to here and then to here and finally to this place. The value here will be 7. Here the value will be 7. Here the value will be 7. Here the value will be 5. Okay. So 8 minus 7 is 1. 7 plus 0 is 7. 7 minus 7 is 0. 7 plus 0 is 7. 7 minus 7 is 0. 5 here. So this is the value. It is equal to 5001 base 8. Now another example. 511 base 8 minus 33 base 8. So 1 minus 3. It's not possible. So we have to get borrow from here. Borrow means 8. Why? Because it is octal number system. 8 plus already 1 is here. So 8 plus 1 equal to 9. 9 minus 3 is 6. And now here the value will be 0. So 0 minus 3 is not possible. We have to get borrow from 5 here. Borrow means 8. Why? Because it is octal number system. So 8 and the value here is 0. So 8 plus 0 equal to 8. 8 minus 3 is equal to 5 and the value here is 4. 456. It is equal to 456 base 8. And let us take another example. 946 base 8 minus 321 base 8. So here the question itself is wrong. Why? Because the value here is 9. In octal number system, the values are from 0 to 7 only. 9 is not an octal number. So the question itself is a wrong question.